Hello and welcome back to Primal Living. I have a 3-ingredient recipe for you all today. Almond butter stuffed medjool dates coated in organic dark chocolate. You'll find that the gorgeous caramel notes from the medjool dates work so beautifully well with the almond butter and the dark chocolate that they make for a beautiful treat, whether it's for yourself or for a family member this Christmas. Let's get into the recipe.
You'll need 10 medjool dates, 100 grams of dark chocolate and 10 teaspoons of smooth almond butter. Let's start with the medjool dates. Begin by slicing every single medjool date in half lengthways and remove each stone. Grab your almond butter and place a teaspoon in each medjool date. I like to use a smooth almond butter here, but if you are a crunchy fan, then please do go ahead and use your favourite crunchy almond butter. As always, please make sure that your almond butter is also 100% natural. We don't want any added sugars or nonsense ingredients that we can't pronounce. When purchasing almond butter in the supermarkets, it is always best to just check the label, just in case. Next up, you'll need to melt your dark chocolate, and once done, leave to cool for a few minutes before placing a teaspoon or so over each medjool date. To make this process a little bit easier and less messy, I like to place my medjool dates on a wired rack with some parchment paper below or a baking tray, and then just go ahead and place all of my dark chocolate over the medjool dates. Once done, place your medjool dates in the fridge to cool for 60 minutes. To finish things off, I like to then add a touch of sea salt flakes to my medjool dates. If you guys love this recipe, then make sure you check out our goat's cheese stuffed dates and also subscribe to our playlist Tasty Primal Meals. And there you go, that is pretty much it. I recommend storing your medjool dates in an airtight container in the fridge for a few days, but believe me, these will not last very long. Enjoy!